XRP has been called dead, delisted, dismissed, but every time people count it out, it comes back sharper. While crypto chases memes and hype, XRP is quietly laying the groundwork for something way bigger. Not hype, not speculation. Real infrastructure, real adoption, and possibly a real shot at $27. Let's break it down. Chapter 1. The lawsuit is over. And everything changed. Back in 2020, the SEC dropped a bomb, accusing Ripple of selling XRP as an unregistered security. Exchanges panicked, prices crashed. The US basically froze XRP. But in 2023, a federal judge made it official. XRP is not a security when sold on exchanges. That ruling flipped everything. By 2024, the SEC dropped its appeal. Case closed, Coinbase relisted, Kraken followed. Grayscale added XRP. Suddenly, institutions had the green light. And here's the key. Legal clarity in crypto is rocket fuel. This was the moment XRP went from regulatory risk to regulatory ready. That's what set Bitcoin on fire with its ETF approval. XRP could be next. Chapter 2. XRP isn't just a token, it's financial infrastructure. Most coins chase trends. AI, NFTs, whatever's hot. XRP has one job, fixing cross-border payments. Banks today rely on SWIFT, a 50-year-old messaging system that's slow, expensive, and ties up billions in pre-funded accounts. RippleNet changes the game. A bank converts dollars to XRP, sends it across the world, and instantly converts it to pesos, yen, euros. Done in seconds. No delays, no intermediaries. This isn't theory. Ripple's already partnered with giants, Santander, SBI, PNC, Tranglo. They're even helping central banks with CBDC pilots. If XRP becomes the neutral bridge between digital currencies worldwide, that's not a niche. It's trillions in daily volume. Chapter 3. The $27 price target. Yes, really. In late 2024, XRP jumped from 50 cents to $3.40. Then it cooled off around $2 and started consolidating into what's called a symmetrical triangle, a technical setup that often leads to massive breakouts. Traders are watching $2.50. If XRP breaks above that, the next levels based on Fibonacci analysis stretch to $3.70, $5.85, and even $27. That $27 isn't random. It's the 2.618 extension of XRP's last major high, a level often hit in parabolic moves. Analysts like Dark Defender and eGrag Crypto have pointed to it. Even Changelly's AI forecast puts XRP between $16 and $22 in the next few years. This isn't hype. It's math, momentum, and macro tailwinds all lining up. Quick question. What's your XRP price target? Are you holding for $5, $10, $27? Drop it in the comments below. I want to see what the Xupra Capital community thinks. If you're bullish on XRP or crypto in general, here's a smart way to earn more without doing anything extra. The Gemini credit card pays you up to 4% back in crypto every time you spend, on food, gas, even rent. You can earn Bitcoin, Ethereum, even XRP. And when you use our referral link, you'll get $50 in crypto after your first statement period. That's free crypto just for living your life. It's a no-brainer. Grab your card with the link in the description. Chapter 4. Ripple's playing the long game. While other projects pump tweets and memes, Ripple's buying up real-world infrastructure. In 2025, they acquired Hidden Road, a $1.25 billion brokerage serving institutional traders. That opens the door for XRP to power high-frequency trading, swaps, and digital settlements. Ripple also built a global liquidity hub, launched CBDC pilots in over 10 countries, and hired former bank executives to drive adoption. This isn't a project waiting to go viral. It's a company building what the future of finance actually looks like. Chapter 5. Scarcity plus burn equals price pressure. XRP has a max supply of 100 billion tokens, but over 55 billion are locked in escrow, released slowly, and often relocked. The real circulating supply is much lower. Now add this. Every transaction burns a tiny bit of XRP, permanently removing it from circulation. The more XRP gets used, the more it disappears. As demand rises and supply tightens, basic economics kick in. It's like Bitcoin's halving, except this burn happens automatically and constantly. If institutions adopt XRP for real-world finance, that burn rate could spike fast, creating the kind of supply squeeze that drives serious price action. Final chapter. Could XRP really hit $27? Let's zoom out. The legal fight is over. XRP has regulatory clarity in the US. Ripple is partnering with banks, launching products, and building systems that move real money. CBDCs are coming, and XRP is positioned to connect them all. Charts are pointing to a breakout. Tokenomics are tightening, and crypto attention is slowly shifting from hype to utility. So if XRP becomes the default liquidity layer for global finance, why wouldn't it hit $27? If this video gave you a clearer view of XRP's future, hit that like button. If you're holding XRP or considering it, share this with someone who still thinks it's a dead coin. And if you want high-signal crypto insights without the hype, subscribe to Xupra Capital. Stay smart, stay early. Let's build together. This video is for educational purposes only. It's not financial advice. Cryptocurrency investing is risky. Always do your own research and speak with a licensed advisor before making any decisions. Xupra Capital is not responsible for any losses based on this content.